Hello friends, this is Shachi Tandon. Welcome to my channel Track Chemistry. Today I am going to discuss a class 11 topic. The name of the topic is Redox Reactions Part 3. For Part 1 and Part 2 of this chapter, please check the I button. In today's session, I will discuss balancing of redox reactions by oxidation number method in basic medium. Friends, a redox reaction can be balanced by two methods. These methods are oxidation number method and ion electron method or half reaction method. Oxidation number method has been discussed in detail in Part 2. So please refer Part 2 of this chapter for understanding oxidation number method. Any redox reaction can take place in three mediums. These are acidic, basic and neutral mediums. And in each medium, we have to follow certain set of rules for balancing them. So in today's video, I will tell you how to balance redox reaction by oxidation number method in basic medium. I will tell you some very simple tricks. With the help of these tricks, you can balance redox reaction in minutes. Before starting, I want to remind you to subscribe my channel for getting information about further important uploads. And don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. So come with me and let's crack chemistry. So today's topic is tricks for balancing redox reactions by oxidation number method in basic medium. Friends, as I told you in Part 2 of this chapter, I have explained the steps for balancing the reaction in very detail. Please refer Part 2 of this video. Now I am going to explain you this method by taking an example. With the help of this example, all the steps will be very clear to you. So example is balance the following reactions by oxidation number method in basic medium. So friends, the reaction is given to you. This is chromium trihydroxide plus iodate ion. They react together and form I- and chromate ion, that is CrO4 2-. So friends, the first step for balancing any redox reaction is to write the skeletal equation. And in the skeletal equation, you have to write oxidation number of each element above them. So I have written the skeletal equation here. Friends, skeletal equation is nothing but an unbalanced chemical equation. So in this skeletal equation, you can see I have written oxidation number of each element above it. So oxidation number of chromium is +3. Oxidation number of oxygen is -2. Oxidation number of hydrogen is +1. And in iodate ion, the oxidation number of iodine is +5. Oxidation number of oxygen is -2. Now I am coming to products. In products, we have iodide ion. Oxidation number of iodine in iodide ion is -1. Then we have chromate ion. Oxidation number of chromium in chromate ion is +6. Oxygen -2. With the help of this skeletal equation, we will find out the elements whose oxidation number are increasing and decreasing. So we can see oxidation number of chromium is increasing from +3 to +6. So we can see the oxidation number of chromium is increasing by a factor by 3 per atom. It means chromium undergoes oxidation and chromium trihydroxide is a reducing agent. Now we will see the element whose oxidation number is going to decrease here. We can see oxidation number of iodine is decreasing from +5 to -1. So there is a decrease by a term 6 per atom. It means iodine is undergoing reduction and iodate ion is acting as an oxidizing agent. So this increase and decrease I am going to show you in the next slide. So you can see here oxidation number increases by 3 per atom. So I am writing here this now increase 3 here in a corner. Similarly, oxidation number of iodine decreases by 6 per atom. So this decrease 6 also I have written here. Now in the next step, what I have to do, we have to equate this increase in oxidation number with a decrease in oxidation number by multiplying oxidizing and reducing agents with a suitable number. So what is that suitable number? For finding the suitable number, I am just simplifying these numbers 3 and 6 to the simplest ratio. So 3 and 6 on simplification will be changed into 1 and 2. So what I will do, the chromium trihydroxide we will multiply by the term 2 and iodate ion we will multiply by the term 1. So this I'm going to show you in the next step. You can see the chromium trihydroxide I have multiplied by the term 2 and iodate ion I have multiplied by the term 1. Now in the next step what we will do, we will balance all other atoms except hydrogen and oxygen. So we can see here in the reactant side we have only 2 atoms of chromium, but in the product side we have only 1 atom of chromium. So in the next step we have to multiply chromate ion by the term 2. Now you can see iodine. The number of iodine atoms in reactant side is 1 and in product side is also 1. So in the next step we will multiply CrO4 2- by 2. This is shown here. So now we can see that we have balanced all other atoms except hydrogen and oxygen. Chromium is balanced. We have 2 chromium atoms in both the sides. Iodine is also balanced. Number of iodine atoms in both the sides is 1. Now in the next step what we have to do, we have to balance hydrogen and oxygen. Friends, for balancing hydrogen and oxygen, we use 3 methods in different mediums. So I'll tell you some simple tricks. With the help of these tricks, in minutes you can balance these equations. So in basic medium what we have to do, first I am going to tell you how to balance oxygen. What we will do, we will add OH- to the side which is deficient in oxygen. So OH- ions will be present in the basic medium. So now I am going to count oxygen atoms. In reactant side you can see in chromium trihydroxide we have 6 oxygen atoms. And in iodate ion we have 3 oxygen atoms. So in the reactant side we have total of 9 oxygen atoms we have. Now look at the product side. Product side you can see we have 2 CrO4 2-, it means 8 oxygen atoms we have in the product side. So now it is clear to you, in the reactant side we have 9 oxygen atoms and in the product side we have 8 oxygen atoms. So the right side, the product side is deficient in oxygen, it is having 1 oxygen atom less. So in the product side we will add 1 OH-. You can see here we have added 1 OH- in the product side. Now oxygen is also balanced. For balancing hydrogen atom, what we have to do, we have to add 1 water molecule for each hydrogen atom to the side which is deficient in hydrogen. But immediately to the opposite side, we have to add the same number of OH- ions. For balancing hydrogen atom, we have to add water molecule for each hydrogen atom to the side which is deficient in hydrogen atoms. But at the same time, we have to add same number of hydroxide ion to the opposite side. So now we will check the number of hydrogen atoms in reactant and product side. You can see here in the reactant side we have 6 hydrogen atoms. In the reactant side we have 6 hydrogen atoms. Now look at the product side. Product side you have only 1 hydrogen atom. It means that the product side is having 5 hydrogen atoms less. So what we will do, in the next step, we will add 5 water molecules to the product side. But don't forget, at the same time, you have to add 5 OH- to the opposite side. Opposite side means reactant side. So this I am going to show you in the next step. You can see here, 5 water molecules I have added in the product side, but at the same time I have added 5 OH- in the reactant side also. So finally we can write a reaction. We can see that in the reactant side we have 5 OH- and in the product side we have 1 OH-. We will have 4 OH- in the reactant side. So we will have 4 OH- in the reactant side. Now our reaction is balanced. The balance equation is 2 CrOH taken thrice plus IO3- plus 4 OH- gives you I- plus 2 CrO4 2- plus 5 H2O. Friends, I hope that you understood each and every point nicely. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to watch my next video and don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and share this video with your friends also. Please post your doubts in the comment box. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.